Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the PS Plus games of the month on your PlayStation 5. And there's two different areas we can access this. So just on the home screen here, if we scroll on to the left, we can go to where it says PlayStation Plus. And I have Essential right here. I can scroll on down and I can see the monthly games right here. So it's Power Wash, 2K Drive, and Sable. Then we have up top here, Season of Play, the benefits, the collection. So if we do have something beyond Essential, we can see what we got under here. So we got some recommendations based on our gameplay, and then recently added, and then we have the games right here. So these are all my PS Plus games I've downloaded, so we can check them out. Now there's another area that we can go ahead and go to. So if I back out, scroll on over to the game library, then press up on the D-pad, we can go to your collection. Otherwise, we can go to PlayStation Plus, and we can see the same thing. If I scroll down, I have 306 PlayStation Plus games. So I think I've had my PlayStation 4 and PS5 for about 10 years, so it's about 10 years worth of games every month just downloading these. Now, we need to go to the game right here, so I'm going to go to Power Wash, and we need to add it to our library. So just select that. You don't need to download it. Just do this each month, just in case you ever want to come back to the game and play it. It's in your library. Then I'm going to go to 2K Drive right here. This game looks like it's fun. I might actually download this one. So I'm going to go to where it says download, add this to my library, and I'm going to get the PS5 version. Now let's go back and then go to the last game. Sable, whatever this game is. I'm not really sure what it is. So I'm going to add it to my library. Maybe I'll download this one too, based off of some of these screenshots. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.